I was having a conversation, with a couple of my roommates yesterday, and we were talking about how people always say, like, people who buy nice things, people who, try to flaunt are like assholes or are just like too stubborn or they're just greedy and selfish. Like, here's the thing, okay? People who are not successful, they think that being successful is like some greedy thing, or like you want to flaunt or you want to flex or you want to, give this kind of status quo. But the thing that you don't understand is that when you are successful, you should actually be buying nice things to hold you accountable, because it makes you go even fucking harder. Like, I did not go from a Mazda to a Maserati to just be cool. I did that because I knew if I got that vehicle, I had to go even harder. I had to go 5x, 10x, like the amount of speed, because money likes speed. So like, if you're in that small-minded space of like rich people are evil, rich people are greedy, you're never going to get anywhere, because you're going to be sitting on the sidelines your entire life while you watch these people be selfish. They're not selfish, okay? There's a lot of people who I do business with who I'm feeding their families, I'm feeding their lifestyle, like I'm growing their business. And if they want to enjoy the nice things of their labor or of their good product, then so be it. That's up to them. Like, they got to where they are, they can deserve to spend their money whenever they want. Also, it's just a matter of like motivating the people around you. Like, you are a magnet. What you say and what you do attracts certain people. So when I, am pulling up in a car like what I have, or I have a house like this, like that attracts the right people, the right clients, the right people in my circle, the right mentors, people of influence that I want to be around. So when I have conversations with people who are in my space, who are kind of doing the same numbers that I am, the conversations are different, right? But when you're hanging out with people who are boring, who think that, being rich is like this selfish persona, then you're going to get that negative ass people that you don't want in your life. But when I'm sitting at a table with people who, have 7-figure businesses, who understand like what it's like to be in the trenches and like eat shit and grow a business, those conversations are way more fluent. And the conversations are always different at the top. They're always different. And for people right now who are in that space of like, if I become rich or if I make more money, like, am I going to leave people behind me? Yes, you will. Not everybody deserves to come with you on the journey. Not everybody deserves to eat at the same table as you. It is okay. And when you buy something and you show it to your friends and you feel uncomfortable, it's because you know that you're going to begin to leave them behind. You know that you're on to another path. Like, it's okay to move on from people who are still behind you. Like, that is okay. So just wanted to talk about that today because it was a really good discussion that we were having. And I just think that, like, rich people are not greedy. They're not evil. Like, they feed people's families. Like, they have employees, like some of them do real estate. Like, they're housing families. Like, just because you didn't get to the bag before them, stop trying to be so negative and like make this persona about people who are of higher influence. Like, they worked harder than you. They worked smarter, not as hard. Like, you just didn't take action. So stop being so mad.